Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A13 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the move your keyboard on this device. First of all, access device settings, scroll all the way down and choose General Management. Then click on Samsung Keyboard Settings and scroll down again. Over here, choose Theme and tap on the best one for you. I will go with Light. So now when I go back and try to access my keyboard, as you can see, theme of it has changed. But if you wish to try something new, you can always go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Gboard. Oh no, I have to click Apps over here. And then I can input the Gboard and download this free app from this developer. Following that, choose Open. Now to select Enable in Settings, click on the switcher next to Gboard over here and tap on OK. Then click on the back button, choose Select Input Method, click on Gboard and tap on Done. Then close Gboard app. After that, access device settings, scroll down and click on General Management, then Gboard settings and finally Theme. Over here you can pick one of those by tapping on the best one for you or click on Show More and accessing even more. When you're ready, tap on the best one, click on the switcher next to keyboarders to manage them and tap on Apply. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed again. But if you wish to customize it, you can also do that from those settings by clicking on the plus icon under My Themes. Then select the photo that you wish to apply as keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Then manage keyboarders by tapping on the switcher and save your theme by tapping on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!